I would request Dr. Seema to please take the dais for the opening remarks.
जैसा कि कल से देख रहे हैं, सभी के चेहरे उदास हैं शुगर फैक्ट्री में बिकॉज ऑफ द प्राइजेस, बट दिस इज द राइट टाइम. आई एम प्रेजेंटिंग. मेरे प्रेजेंटेशन से शायद कुछ स्माइल आप लोगों के उसमें आएगी, बिकॉज आई एम रिकमेंडिंग द प्रपोजल ऑफ NSI in cost reduction of biofuel production. So why we need to have the reducing the cost of biofuel? It is very crucial in India because we have to meet the growing energy demand, and we have to fulfill the commitment to sustainable development by reducing dependency on imported fossil fuel. We have to improve the energy security and to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions. So how to deal with this? There are certain strategies which we have framed is switching to the smart practices, alternative feedstock availability, value additions from the available sources, biomass, that is, alternative biofuels. So we'll see one by one what are the strategies of the smart practices first. So this NSI has done certain experiment which I am presenting here. Yesterday, as our Honorable Minister was telling that cane syrup storage should be there. So this trial, though this is not the right time, but in future, if there is a possibility, if the prices are good, so you all can store the syrup. So this experiment was conducted in last 2 years at NSI, and we have got very good result without adding any enzyme. And second, we'll be doing this, and we have found out a way how to reduce your 40 paisa per liter of ethanol. That is the second point, which is mixing of gasoline instead of denaturant. So I'll be taking one by one. First, let's see how this cane syrup will work. This is nothing. We did a simple trial. We took the refinery syrup. It was somewhere around 72 bricks. And I asked someone to get me the bricks somewhere around till 75. So we collected this from 2 different sugar factories, one's Dalmia Bharat and one was Ajbapur, and we kept it at room temperature with 74 bricks and one with 72 bricks, and the pH somewhere around 7. So this there was no deterioration until 1 year. So this I presented in my advisory board, and our advisory board member as President ISMA, Prabhakar Rao sir, was interested with this, that how can, without any enzyme, you are keeping this syrup. People were talking about that we have got this type of enzyme. When you are using this enzyme, it won't spoil it. But when he saw our result, so he told, I'll go for the commercial trial. And we did the commercial trial in his factory in Jai Mahesh. And initially, they have also gone with the same bricks in lab. And now they have stored in the bigger tank, and it is working well. So let me tell you that this will work well when you're keeping your bricks at 72 till 74 bricks and pH somewhere above 7 without adding any enzyme. It is working, sir. So how this will be beneficial? If you see the calculation, of 5,000 TCD, if we divert 28.5% of syrup for 160 days of crushing season, somewhere around 100 KLPD plant will work, and the remaining 71.5 is the B-heavy, which we get at the rate of 6.5% on cane, and the recovery is 110 liters. So this can go with 115 days. So adding 160 and 150, it will work only for distillery will in operation for only 275 days. So if we store 20% more of syrup 20% more of syrup. So additional, you will have total 48.5 percent which we are storing, 20% storing, and 28.5% during the season you are using it. So while storing that, you will have additional 112 days. Just after the crushing season, you use this storage syrup, and then you can go for the Be Heavy. So this way, if you add this, means Be Heavy left will be 51.5%, and we add these number of days of working, it comes around 355 a days. So your distillery will work in whole 355 days a year with storage of syrup. So this you can try at your distillery with this bricks, and with this, we'll share you the detailed data also later on, because since Abhi, this has not been published, so you can see that you can contact to Jay Mahesh also. They have first done this trial in the small buckets. They kept it in the room temperature, and they got very good result. Then they shifted to that big tank, and they have stored it. And after this season, they'll be using the stored syrup. Second point, which will add 40%, 40 paisa, which you were using for the denaturant. This won't be required now, because as you know, denaturant is being added to make it unfit for human consumption. Denaturant are the chemicals which are added to the ethanol to make it unfit for the human consumption. So this generally is used for the industrial and the commercial purpose once you add the denaturants. So the denaturants which you are adding is based on this standard, which is already IS standard 4117 and 2008. It was published. In this, you can see this is the completely denaturant alcohol. You can see this is gasoline. Gasoline is nothing, petrol, which can be added in the form of denaturant. It is 2 to 5 liters per 100 liters of ethanol. So if you take the lowest digit, that is 2 liters, it is somewhere around 2%. 2% of petrol is added as a denaturant. So there is nothing lost in this, because you are sending your denaturant alcohol to OMCs or the depot where you have to send it. So you will bring the same petrol. OMCs will give you, based on the 2% of your VAT, you take that petrol to your distillery with the same tanker, and it will come to your distillery. You add it into your VAT, then you add ethanol, mix it. It is 2% ethanol. So that 2% ethanol will be taken up by again to the OMCs, and then they have to reduce whatever blending percent at present is. Suppose it is 18, so they will add only 16% of it, because 2% is already added. So there is nothing, means you are just taking the petrol and sending it back. So there is no price inculcation, means there is no price you have to give for petrol. Neither OMCs have to have some price from you. So that type of this thing we have searched out, because this came from UP ISMA. This is the whole IS standard for petroleum specification. There is how to do the analysis, and everything detail is given in this. Earlier, the denaturant which we are using now, at UP, we are using crotonaldehyde 0.2%. It is in the liquid form. Denatonium benzoate is added 0.004%. And in South, they are adding brucine sulfate alone. But in IS standard, it is given that brucine sulfate along with tertiary butyl alcohol you have to add. And the price of the first one which we are using in UP comes around what I was explaining, it comes around 40 paisa per liter. This is 40, you can say 42 paisa per liter. Denaturant what you are using. So there, if you are using petrol, so this 40 paisa per liter will be saved. And if you see, this is per liter. If you are going for 2000 means for 1600, if you see crore liters, so what impact will it have? What impact will it have? You can imagine. So this much benefit you will get when you are adding petrol to as a denaturant to the ethanol. So we have submitted the proposal to everywhere, but UP ISMA has given us this project. We will do the work for them. We will standardize the procedures. Wherever it is required, we will train the employees how to use this petrol, what safety measures to be taken, and we will also give the presentation in MOPNG as well as OMCs and UP once everything is standardized, and what all precaution we have to take, everything. We'll be presenting this, and I think you'll get a very big benefit out of it. Next comes the alternative feedstock. This alternative feedstock we have been doing from last 5 years with sweet sorghum. And this sweet sorghum we have done one commercial trial. We have an MOU with Advanta Group. This season, we have successfully completed in our experimental sugar factory. The data were presented to MOPNG, and they have given now, based on the data, we asked them to give us the commercial trial, so they have agreed. BPCL has agreed with us to take this commercial trial, because though the data are very good for alternate feedstock like sweet sorghum, we got 50 liters per ton of alcohol, whereas the yield is somewhere around, the Advanta variety was somewhere around 56 to 60 tons per hectare. So with this, and this crop can be grown for 2 seasons. So if you see the total 50-50 means it is above 100, it will somewhere touch above the sugar cane, and this crop will be beneficial where there is no cane. So you can take this crop either to the south region where it is very well grown, or to some other state like Madhya Pradesh or any other state where it can be taken up. In UP, we have done the trial. This was not successful for the Ravi crop, but it was successful only in the Kharif crop, where we have presented this data. And this we have an MOU for last 5 years with IIMR Hyderabad. So this is all about sweet sorghum, which I have already mentioned. These are the glimpses of the trials which we have conducted at NSI. This is in November only we did this in our factory, experimental sugar factory. We crushed with the leaves, because the labor cost, to remove the labor cost, the main idea of doing this in our factory was whether this can be crushed in the sugar mill or not, whether any changes are required in the sugar mill, but there was no change. We have crushed it along with the leaves, but some certain clarification is required. We have to filter the juice and just take it for the syrup. We have done this in first week of November. So till date, we have stored the syrup. There is no deterioration. And we have taken up the deterioration trial. That's only for 1 minute. So then we come to the muddy juice. This is another, we did a MOU with Uttam Group, and I'm thankful to Sharma ji for giving me this opportunity. Sukhvinder Singh ji has done this trial at the Uttam, and we went and validated it, and we got very good result with muddy juice, and we have carried out this trial at Nirani Group also. It is still continuing. The idea was 10% of muddy juice can easily be mixed. Since it is having 90% of temperature, there is it will not harm the fermentation. Once it is passed through PHE and added, there will be means you can save water, molasses, and this will also add the cost to you. So these are the trials which we have done in Nirani groups. Some conclusion, finish. Thank you. Thank you very much.